From Jackso. This is Mo again with this 68. It's a Juki MO 6800 series. I'm gonna show you today how to assemble this machine. We have this shipment, it just come, and when you get the machine, you got it in the box just like that, and the table and the motor and all that. So when you get the box, when you open the box, this is what you're gonna find, which is this over here. This is the thread stand. This is 4-5 thread. The cover. You got this trash unit that you put it into the machine so the trash can go when the machine cuts. This cover over here, this is what you get when you open the box on a Juki MO 6800. This is related to this one here. And then you get like few screws. I'll show you how to install the machine later on. You get the book for the machine, which is if you want to order any part, if you want to order anything, you have it in this book. If you don't know how to use the machine, you have it in this book. All that come in the box. And then you got this cover over here, I'll show you later on. And then it comes with this wrenches, the chain for the pedal. It comes with few screwdrivers, the rubbers for the machine. And you got extra needles, which is like B27. That's the machine. That's you know the needles that they use for this machine over here. It's a DC by 27. This is size 11. If you see over here, this is the size, and this is the model, which is the size is size 11. We always go with this number to the right hand side, and always use like B27. Those are the best. So this one here, when you finish, and then you put the oil, and this is the oil come with the machine. So when you get the machine, you always open this one, put this here, put the oil, until you see, if you see over here, you're gonna see that line, the red line over there. You keep putting the oil until it comes to that line. It's very easy, very simple. Now, I'm gonna show you the machine, the table assembly. So this is the legs. When we get the machine, we get the legs like just like open, loose, and then we put them together. We put the first table and the second table. If you remember, I show you those screws. They go inside, but they don't come outside, just like that. And then you put the motor. So it's very easy to install. You put the switch here, and then it goes to the motor. This slide over here for the belt. And then number 3, this is the machine when it's complete. You got this door over here. So usually when you put the machine over here, it goes like flat over here. So when you're sewing, you sew like nice and quiet. The trash thing, it comes over here. And if you see the machine now, it's installing, the motor is here. We put the belt over here, put it here, put the machine over here, and then you're good to go. If you have any question, please call us at Jackso 727-335-3434. Thank you.